Hey yogis, we're going to continue to unpack some of these layers of the core. So something we hear a lot in yoga is navel to spine, right? We hear it in nearly every single yoga pose. Hey buddy! That drawing the navel to the spine will protect the low back. That may be true for some people. Some people can take that cue and make it very functional in their own bodies. That might be true for you. But if that cue leaves you a little bit confused and you're wondering what you're really doing with your body, let's unpack it a bit. So watch from the side. Okay, you can sit right there, bud. So here's my soft stomach, right? It's just kind of relaxed, Buddha belly, spilling out all over the place. And that's actually a super functional place for your stomach to be. So don't feel like allowing your stomach to relax is somehow bad for your body. It's natural for your body. However, when we want to engage the stomach to spread out the low back, provide an internal support system, and inflate that inner airbag, if we simply draw navel to spine, we still have a pretty loose stomach. And actually, my posture here, I almost have a flat back. The back is not supposed to be flat, right? So it, in essence, tucked my tailbone, which is not supposed to tuck, flattened my low back, and only engaged probably that surface area of my abdominal wall, the rectus abdominis. On the other hand, if I let my belly soften, exhale all my air out, and then cough, you can see that the lower ribs have now hugged up and in, and that my low belly is actually pushing slightly forward. That's a very functional place to be, as if I'm bracing myself against a blow. That has inflated my inner airbag, spread out my low back, and provided that support system that I can use in nearly every pose. So soft belly, firm belly is almost pushing forward. Yeah, the navel might actually draw back a little bit, but that's almost a side effect of all of the other stuff that's happening. Try it on your own. The coughing really helps. Touch your own stomach. It really helps to feel what's going on. And then maybe even try it in a pose. So if I were to come into a plank pose and hear that cue navel to spine versus firm the belly and feel how firm my whole body became.